Yeah, look at that. That is why. Yeah, and look at here. Look here. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome to Birdy and Pedro. It's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I just finished giving Yoda a bath, so I have to wash his rugs, and I got them here, and I wonder why I only have like little water like to this level, but it takes a while to drain it. So I'm wondering what's the problem with this one. So I'm gonna troubleshoot it like a pro. I had done this before. Open this panel here and check the drain pipe if it is blocked. As I had been using this machine for just washing the dog's rugs, so we'll find out. I got the same problem before. As I had said, this is not the first time that I'm gonna do this, and I solved it. Oh, I hope that's the same problem. Yeah. Then I'm really before I was so scared, and this is where the water drains out. So I just have to you see that? Unscrew this. Oh God. Yeah, look at that. That is why. Yeah, and look at here. Look here. Oh, that is why it's not draining properly. So what I'm gonna do is just I just need a stick. Look at this, the dirt. Yeah. That is the problem. We'll see. Okay, have to wash this thing. This nozzle is also problematic. Woo! Look at what I got here. Here. You see this? These are lints. Yeah. Whew. So I think I solved the problem. We'll put this back in. It's just easy. I don't need to call a technician. I can do it myself. So that's it. Here. Have to put this back. Well, this thing, this one, I don't know if what. This is not the one connected to. I have to be careful with this. Okay, and put this back in. Oh. There you go. Ooh, you break it. Okay, let's put it back to its previous position. Check it later.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the water level is at low. Earlier it was lower than here, lower than this. So let's see if the draining is improved. Yeah, that's more than earlier, the water coming out from that hose. Earlier it was so low, and the water here, yeah, it drains down faster. So I succeeded. Okay guys, thank you for watching.